In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through in Confluence. First, open your browser and head to startsatlassian.com, sign into your account so you can get to your Confluence spaces. Once you're in, look at the left panel and choose the space where you want to work. Open the page you want to edit. If the page opens in read-only mode, switch into the editor so you can select and format text. You'll know you're in the editor when you see the formatting toolbar at the top with options like bold and italics. There are two simple ways to apply strike through, and they both do the same thing. They cross out the selected text, which is perfect for marking items as done, showing revisions, or keeping a record of changes without deleting anything. The fastest way is the keyboard shortcut. First, highlight the text you want to cross out. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and S together. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and S together. You'll see the selected text instantly get a line through it. If you change your mind, use the same shortcut again to toggle strike through off or press undo. If the shortcut doesn't seem to work, make sure your cursor focus is inside the editor and that you've actually highlighted the text you want to format. If you prefer a more visual approach, use the toolbar at the top of the editor. Start by highlighting your text. Look for the formatting toolbar near the top of the page, close to the B for bold and the I for italics. Find the More Formatting icon, which looks like a small drop-down arrow near the bullet and numbering icons. Click that to open more options, then select Strike Through. Your highlighted text will be crossed out right away. Just like with the shortcut, choosing Strike Through again will remove it, so it's easy to toggle on and off as you edit. A few quick tips as you work. Strike Through only applies to the text you've selected, so if nothing happens, double check that your text is actually highlighted. You can combine strike through with other formatting like bold or italics to make changes stand out even more. And when you're done, remember to publish or update the page so others can see your changes. That's all there is to it. You can use either the keyboard shortcut for speed or the toolbar for a visual confirmation, whichever fits your workflow best. Thanks for watching and happy editing in Confluence.